Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to update the current installed packages of Raspberry Pi operating system. So click on the terminal. Before starting these two commands which is used for to update the current packages, check your Wi-Fi connections and then write these two commands. So the first one is the sudo and then update, and now press the enter button and wait till to download all these files and to finish properly. So once this process is successfully complete, then the 118 packages can be upgraded. Run apt list dash upgradable to see them, but here we are going to run this one upgrade command. So let's run this command sudo and then write the upgrade and then press the enter button and wait till to finish this process. Okay, it's in the packages and see these all packages is to be upgraded. So now here see, do you want to continue? So Y for yes and N for no. So now enter. So now write the Y and then press the enter. So the packages upgrading will be start. So it's update one by one these packages like OpenGDK. This is the one package, this is the two, this is the three. So one by one package will be upgrade. So now wait till to finish this process. And this is the news of some changes and WebKit 2GTK. So now press the Q and here the downloaded package is unpacking. So the process is continue. Wait till to complete this process.